Today is National Pancake Day, so let's celebrate. Our Michelle Oliver decided to take us a trip around the world to sample 3 very different types of pancakes.
And they all have one common ingredient, basic pancake mix. Let's see how to make these hotcakes.
When I say pancakes, you probably think of fluffy flapjacks smothered in syrup. Well, across the world, pancakes come in all kinds of shapes and sizes. And today, I'm going to show you how to make 3 very different pancakes, all using pancake mix. The first one we're going to make is a Japanese-style pancake. First, you're gonna need 4 eggs, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/2 cup of milk, and 3/4 of a cup of pancake mix. Start by separating the eggs. Put 2 yolks in a bowl you're going to use for mixing, and set aside 4 egg whites to use later. Now add in the sugar, milk, and pancake mix and stir it until there's no lumps. And now we're going to take those egg whites, pour them into this large bowl, beat them with a mixer on high until they form stiff peaks. Now using a spatula, gently fold the egg whites into the batter. All right, now we're ready to cook. So for this, you're going to need a mold that's about a 3.5 inch circle. I just made this one out of tin foil. Spray them down with some cooking spray so the batter doesn't stick to them. Put your pan on a low heat level and grease the bottom of the pan with some butter. All right, now we're gonna place in our molds, then fill them with batter about 3/4 of the way. Cover them up and let them cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. Carefully flip them over, then cover them back up and cook for an additional 5 minutes until they're done. Top it with berries, syrup, or whatever else you'd like. Now we're headed to France to make some crepes. For this, you'll need 1.5 cups of milk, a cup of pancake mix, 1 egg, and a teaspoon of vanilla. For this one, just mix all the ingredients into a bowl using a whisk. While the batter may be simple to make, the cooking takes a little more technique. So if you mess up the first couple of times, don't worry, it happens to everyone. It requires a lot of little adjustments. So you want it to be on about medium heat. Add butter to the bottom. Take about a 1/4 cup of the batter, pour it into the center, and then quickly move it around to cover the bottom of the pan. So once you start seeing the bubbles poke through and the top has kind of solidified, you're ready to flip it. And flip. Now that is a crepe. Finally, we're going to make pancake cereal. This one's very simple to make. You just follow the directions on the back of the box. So basically, all you're really doing is making tiny little pancakes. So I buttered my pan. I have it on about medium heat, and I poured all my batter into this liquid measuring cup just to make it easier to pour out. Then you're just gonna pour little baby pancakes and let them cook up as normal. I must say, if you have kids, this is really fun and cute. And instead of serving these on a plate, serve them in a bowl instead.